Welcome to She is a Cook. Welcome to She is a Cook. I'm Tia.
I'm Megan.
And we are baking.
Yay, more.
More baking. More baking chocolate because I don't know. I'm just in a
chocolate mood.
Today, well, let's see if you can guess these ingredients. Almond flour, because I cook with almond flour or bake with almond flour. Chocolate cocoa powder, allulose monk fruit, espresso powder, butter and salt. And then behind us, cream cheese, sour cream, eggs, more cocoa powder, heavy whipping cream, vanilla, and of course, what do you think we're making?
I think we're making a cheesecake.
Ding, ding, ding! We are making a Ghirardelli chocolate cheesecake.
Yay!
This cheesecake is inspired by Cheesecake Factory. When I used to go to Cheesecake Factory, I used to always get the chocolate cheesecake.
I've never really had Cheesecake
Oh,
Factory
so
cheesecake before.
It's not a Ghirardelli though. I think it's a Godiva if I'm not mistaken. But either way, so we're gonna try it and we're gonna let you know.
We're just winging it again.
Yep, you know, it's the season of trying things new. So if it fails, we'll let you know. Yeah. And if it's successful, we will definitely let you know. We are about to jump in and make the crust. Yay. We have a 9 by 3 inch what's the name of it?
Cheesecake pan?
No, but it's actually a name. I can't remember the name. But anyway.
But we lined it with parchment paper.
So it's a pan for a cheesecake. Okay. I just can't think Okay. Anywho.
Anyway.
I was trying to show you that I wasn't thinking, but the bottom comes out, which is perfect. And then
what it's supposed to do.
Megan made us a little circle parchment paper that goes on top. And so we're going to bring you close and we're going to go ahead and mix it up and put it in. This is either going to be really great or it's going to be a disaster.
Let's go.
All right.
Woo!
Okay, so now we're going to start with the crust. So our crust ingredients are 1 1/2 cup of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of allulose or monk fruit, a 1/2 teaspoon of espresso, a pinch of salt. That's good. So we're going to mix it up. Now, you want to do this part?
Also, this is called what's it called?
Springform pan.
Springform pan. We figured it out. I'm gonna press all of this. So we have this thing. I don't know what it's called, but you use it to press stuff down. So.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now we are going to put our crust in the oven, 325 for 10 minutes.
And we're going to dive right in to the filling.
Even though it's not a Godiva chocolate cake.
Yeah. It was just a pun.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to start with the cream cheese filling. We have 24 ounces of cream cheese.
Or 3 sticks, basically.
Go ahead and put that under there.
Oh, we're mixing it now?
And we're going to start mixing it on low. So the cream cheese has been sitting out overnight, which is safe to do. As long as it's not over 24 hours, you should be okay.
Like that?
Is that the lowest one?
Yeah, it's a stir.
All right, and then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of sour cream.
Can you get a scraper thing?
What's a scraper thing?
Like, scraper things. I don't know what they're called.
All right.
One more thing.
You want to put this in? Watch your fingers. Sweetener, allulose. So you can do monk fruit. I would do stevia. I would stick with monk fruit or allulose. This is actually pure allulose sugar.
100%, right?
Sweetener. And then eggs.
It's looking good.
And we're trying to hurry up because we have melted chocolate behind us, so we don't want it to start getting all clumpy.
Beautiful. Okay, what's next?
So we're going to go ahead and add the teaspoon of vanilla. half teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and pour in the chocolate. So this is a whole bar, and then we're gonna add in some more chocolate.
Originally it's supposed to be 2 bars, right?
Yes.
But we didn't know that.
No. All right, while she's doing that, I'm gonna melt a half cup of chocolate chips with 1 teaspoon of butter. I'm gonna try to add that to it as that's mixing. All right, let's go ahead and mix it.
Put it in here.
We're gonna add a 4th cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. All right, let's see. Oh boy,
Let's get a lot.
it needs more sweetener.
We also have music note tablespoons and things. It's so cute. So cute.
Is that better?
I don't know if that was a good idea.
Uh-oh. Let's see. It's yummy.
It's yummy.
This is good.
That is so good.
That's good.
So we added about 2 more tablespoons of this stuff, and it definitely helped. So,
all right. All right, now we are going to fill. No, you can see there was still some cream cheese at the bottom here. Oh.
that looks better.
So we're gonna make a ganache to go on top. Megan, my Lord, that's delicious. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven. It's gonna go in for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. I have no idea to know when it's done. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a tray under it like so. We'll do that. So if there is any drippage, it doesn't go all on my stove. And then we will be back. Take it out and shake it.
The whole thing shaking.
Shake it. It says about 2 inches though. So I'm gonna pour those in. All right, now we are gonna pour it over our chilled cheesecake.
Here we go. Probably should take it off the bottom. Okay. Oh. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with friends, watch the other videos.
Yep. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.